Hello students, welcome back. So we are going to discuss the control of multiple motors in this video. If you remember, we had controlled one single DC motor with and without L293D in our previous module. So when we have to control two or even more motors with a single Arduino board, what are the complications and how to do that? Let us test it on Tinkercad. So here I have the same circuit that we had discussed earlier. There is one Arduino board, one L293D and a DC motor. Now I am taking one more similar motor and I'll select two more pins, any two digital pins I can take, and I'm going to connect them on this side of L293D. So there is input 1, input 2 and output 1, output 2. Four terminals are vacant here. So this is positive. This will go to the output terminal. So here is output. So let me connect it here and I'll give it a different color. So let me just straighten it up. Okay. Now the negative is going to be on another output terminal, which is on this side here, output 1. Okay. So now both positive and negative, they are connected. Let me give a different color. Fine. So now I need to bring two wires from my Arduino to the inputs of this L293D. Input number 2 I am connecting at pin number 3 and input number 1 I am going to connect at pin number 4. So once these connections are done, now I need to go to the code and do the additions for second motor. So here I have pin number 3 and pin number 4. I am going to add the commands for these also for running the motors. So pin number 3 I am keeping low, pin number 4 I am keeping high. Where is pin number 3 going? This is pin number 3. It is going to this input and output is going to positive. So positive is low, here also positive is low, negative is high, negative is high. That means if I start this simulation, both the motors will run in anti-clockwise. We run the simulation and both are running at minus 143 RPM. Now I'm going to copy this and make some changes. So here I say run these in the anti-clockwise direction for 5 seconds. Then first motor, which is on the left side, I am giving high high. That means that will stop. This will keep running. Now I am saying high and low. Let this condition be there for around 3 seconds. High low, and this one I am stopping with low low, and then I am saying both should be running in the clockwise direction. This one should also be there for around 3 seconds and this one for 3 seconds. So now when I run the simulation, first both of them are minus 143 for 5 seconds. Now this one stopped, this is still running. Now this is positive, this has stopped. and now both are positive, and this cycle will keep on repeating. So now you know that if you have two motors or multiple motors, how do you control them with your Arduino and how to give extra power using L293D. So once we know how to connect the motors, we are going to talk about some light sensitive circuits in our next video. Thank you.